Good night, hello teacher and class mothers. My name is Jose Daniel Estupiñán Martinez. I am years old, 19. Um, I study psychology and University UNAD. I like sport. I like animals. And I like music, especially rock and metal. Uh, my favorite hobby is love watching movie. Uh, and I am going to just read my experience of a trip the city in Colombia. For example, when I traveled in Medellin, I am asked a series of questions. One, what were you doing there? First of all, I wanted to know at this city, and my part of family lives there. I wanted to know to go vacation. They enjoy the climate, uh, the people, the culture of the city. Um, and finally, enjoy company of, of my family. The question is how often did you to dance? When I go to vacation, I was sleep late or I watch TV. Um, when I keep you sometime which movies or series I like. Uh, Usually, which would we would go to city. The three question is how was the weather like? Mm, I it was wonderful. I fall in love uh, white in that city.